Hello sweet team, this recipe is for you. Today I will share with you on how to make potato vegetable salad. Here is the vegetable I will be needing for this recipe. Over here is the potato we are going to be needing for this recipe. All I will do now is to scrape out the skin of the potato. Our today haul goes to Ifechukwu Dere Ugoje. Thank you so much, sweetie, for being part of the family. I'm so happy to have you here, and thank you for loving the recipe. Always let us know where you are watching from so that the next haul will go be for you, and don't forget to share our recipe so people around you. Now I'm done with the potato, and here is the carrot. I'm done with the carrot. Over here we have the cabbage. I'm going to be needing cabbage on this recipe. I'll just chop the cabbage in a little biteable size because this is how I slice all the vegetable. I just slice them in a tiny size, just like this. So now I'm done with the cabbage. I will keep it aside. Next I will be chopping is green bell pepper and green beans. So the green beans have already been sliced. I will just chop this pepper in a little biteable size, and now I'm done with all the vegetables, and now it's ready to use. So guys, let me show you the secret on how you can get this recipe done easy and smooth. First of all, you are going to toast the vegetables with hot water. This will not last in the heat, guys. Just 1 minute you put it, the same 1 minute to take it out from the hot water. Over here I have a bowl of cold water. Then I will add in the vegetable inside a cold water. After doing that, I will add in the cabbage. So I'm just bringing this short place for you to know how I first of all prepare the vegetable before I make use of it. So this one is the cabbage. I still add it inside the cold water. Same to the potato. So this is how I first of all get the vegetables done. So over here I have a pan. I have some oil. Then I will add in some garlic paste and chopped onions and hot pepper. Then season with some salt and all-purpose seasoning. Then stir that together and add in some hot pepper. So after doing that, I will let this to stir fry for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, guys, now I'm going to add in the vegetables inside the pot. So these are all the vegetables. I first of all get rid of the water. So I stream out the water. Then I will add everything here and stir fry together. Now I will be adding the potato. Over here is the potato. So that is it, guys. After doing that, your food is ready. This doesn't take time on the heat. Just a simple, you are done with this, and this is just good to serve everyone, even your kids, your husband, even you. Anybody can take this. Looks so delicious and healthy. This is one of the best way you can always make your potato vegetable salad. This is just the best. It tastes so nice and it looks so fresh. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share this video to people around you. Drop your comment and let me see you in my next one. Bye bye.